Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening whenever you listen to this. Welcome back in the HD Time. I'm Nirma Octaviani as your new host today. And of course, I'm not alone in here. I'm with two special guests. Please.
Hello everyone, I'm Siti Hana.
Hello, my name is Anissa Zara.
Alright, as you could see, from the background we got several stuff in here. And yeah, today we're gonna have some talk, small discussion about Harry Potter. Yes, we are in the one same fandom, we are a Potterhead. So, let's get started into the first question. Can I know when the first time you watch Harry Potter, you decided to watch Harry Potter, and what kind of thing made you finally watch the Harry Potter? And we know that's been an old movie, can I say? But it's still famous still now.
Yeah.
Please.
Go first.
Actually, I don't remember much about the first time I watched it, but I do remember that one time I got back home from playing with my kids in my neighborhood, and there was my aunt. She was watching Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, and just as curious as I am, I was back then. I joined her, and I found that, it was
But you saw one character and then bam, you finally.
itu belum ada Cedric.
Oh, Goblet and Fire. Isn't it?
Belum sampai yang ketemu Cedricnya, baru mulai gitu loh.
Interesting, yeah. Interesting.
Yeah, I thought it was so cool, so interesting, and I ended up watching the entire thing from the beginning. But I didn't actually immediately go into the fandom, not really a Potterhead yet. But it wasn't until I was in my junior high school in my last year, I felt this urge to rewatch it again, and yeah, I got obsessed with it over again. Yeah.
What about you?
Actually, I've been a Potterhead since 2019. It was pandemic, and I just bored at home and got nothing to watch. I literally watch everything like drama Cina, Jepang, everything. But actually, I know Harry Potter when I was still child. Like my sister watched it first, but I think that I wanted to watch it because I assumed that it would be boring. Just kayak sihir, like action things. I don't really into that genre. So because I got nothing to watch, and then I scrolled TikTok and I watched some clip of the Harry Potter movies. I feel like, oh my god, this is kind of interesting, and I fell in love with Draco. So I start watching it. At the very first time, I just kind of fell in love because it's not about the action. It's kind of heartwarming because the apa sih friendshipnya tuh kayak
I can understand that. Yeah, and also Harry Potter is like something extraordinary, something like magical things.
Yeah. It's feel like home. Hogwarts feel like home. When pandemic kan, I can get outside and I just
Don't know what to do.
Yeah, don't know what to do and enter Hogwarts. It feel like home, second home.
And why specifically you like Harry Potter? Specifically.
The movie or the character?
Perhaps the whole entire film.
Okay.
Why I like it is probably because The Goblet of Fire is my first impression. So, and I like action movies where I like challenge or something like that. So when I see the movie, there was like the challenge, right? There's the dragon, underwater, and maze. So I feel like I was kind of hooked with it. So it got me interested. Gitu.
Maybe I just kinda see like a lot of different character on the movie kan. Okay, Harry is the brave and one is kinda funny and apa sih
Silly.
yeah, silly, and Hermione with her
Brain.
sexy brain. And the Draco is like he just so cute. I can't. So yeah, I just fell in love kayak how they interact. It's like it goes so natural. The acting is so natural. So and apa ya, the storyline is kind of interesting karena because yeah, same like you, it's can be real. So I just like enter a new universe. Like we can imagine like having a lot of imagine when we watch the movie. Just like it's not like we're just watching it and okay, oh yeah, good. Just
Feel like
we can also
Get
we
into
can
it.
also yeah we can also get into it and we can also imagine like
Experience.
experience it. Yeah.
From there is Seven movie, right?
Yeah.
Which movie do you like most?
It's kind of hard question, I guess. Difficult. Maybe the Chamber of Secret. Yeah. Because it has a lot of apa ya teka-teki. Yeah, kayak like the voice on the wall and there's just I love it. Like I love how they solve everything. Harry Potter has a lot of monsters. Like the Hagrid has a lot of friends of monsters, and I just can't figure it out. What the next? Cause Voldemort maybe he's down, but his strategy is like so dar and nggak bisa ditebak. So
And what about you?
Yes, you probably have guessed. My favorite is The Goblet of Fire.
Of course, Cedric is there.
Yeah. It's just it's my first impression. So despite everyone saying that it was bad, but it has a special place in my heart. 'Cause it was my first. Yeah. And there was like the challenge, I really love the Yule and that's where I met Cedric. that was like love at first watch and then a heartbreak. Not long after, so yeah, rest in peace, Cedric.
My love.
Yeah.
The
Kalau
Goblet
nanti
of Fire.
tambahin filter burung dan lampu-lampu.
Goblet of Fire. But that's the apa ya? Rise-nya ini Voldemort.
That was a plot twist.
When everything after that getting more darker.
yeah,
No more happiness like in the first
Yeah.
in the first movie. Like in the first movie, Oh, Harry, ordinary child suddenly, right? Ada Hagrid datang, you're a wizard, Harry, yeah. And then move into Hogwarts. We experience like how the first year student get into the Hogwarts, get sorted into the houses, and having some magical experience. Like, and everything.
So tiny and innocent.
And then, yeah, the turnout is after the fifth movie, the order the Goblet of Fire, everything getting dark.
Yeah.
So, alright, because what I said before, we're gonna having fun.
What are we gonna do?
What we gonna do? Ta-da!
Oh
We
my
have
god!
I got 9 pack of this Harry Potter card.
Okay.
And yeah, each of us gonna get 3 pack. Sure. Kamu hitung dulu dapatnya apa. So we're not only unboxing here. We're gonna add some challenge perhaps.
Okay.
Disclaimer ya.
What kind of challenge?
Disclaimer. We're gonna play. I'm gonna explain it first. So, for one each pack, gonna be 6 cards inside. This 5 scene card and 1 character card. So, we're gonna get 1 character card, and because you got 3, you're gonna play marry, kiss, or kill. Disclaimer, this just for fun, nothing serious in here. Kita gacha dulu. Gacha dulu dapatnya apa? Mau yang bagikan atau ngambil pick sendiri? Apa? Satu. One for me, one for you. Kenapa tahu ya? Oke. Okay.
Oh, we're gonna open it.
How to open it from the back side. We open it first, and then the character card gonna be the second from the bottom. Maybe we could just move it into the back.
Okay.
So we didn't open it first. It's gonna be the last one we open.
Okay.
The character card. So okay, let's get started. Udah sih nggak bukanya? Kalau udah mau, kali ini. Satunya kalau nggak bisa bisa. Dua, ya.
Bener.
Kita tungguin dulu, bisa. Can you? Ayo.
Why am I scared?
Remember.
The bottom.
Yeah, from the bottom like this. The second from the bottom like this. This one.
Oh, this one. Oh, this one. Yeah.
We hide it
Okay.
under.
Okay.
So,
Wow.
yeah.
Wow, I think I get.
So,
Wow.
Okay. Okay. Kita buka dulu scene-nya. Agak Draco.
Oh, my baby.
I get Lupin and Harry.
What do you got?
I got Harry and Ron.
Harry and Ron. Alright. I got siapa sendiri? Ya, ada pada kami. Miss dia. Ada pada sama dari Harry Potter. This one, here is first one. The third.
Okay.
Harry.
You can open it then.
Stop. Okay, thank you.
No longer.
Thank you.
With Fatil. Fatil ya ini.
Fantastic beast
Fatil.
with a lot of salt. Draco! It's so cute.
Satu game.
Harry Potter, the Luna Fathers.
Yes.
What? What is
I
that?
forgot.
Itu bow stick.
Bow.
Bow
Draco.
Apa?
Something like that.
Hermione
Magical
and
creature.
Who's
Victor Krum.
Potter? This is the shit that I hate. It's
Yeah.
like, oh.
Second one. Harry and Ron.
Really, we gonna play Harry, Kiss and Kill.
Harry and
Lucha. Okay, so we got 3 cards in here.
Yup. Yup. Yup.
Ready?
Just read it.
One by one or
One by one atau bound? Free autumn. Bisa nggak? Tiga-tiga. Satu-satu aja guys.
satu?
Oke. Mr. Peppers.
Ding ding ding
Ding
ding.
kasih
Insert.
instruments.
Drum roll.
Drum roll.
What?
1,
What?
2, 3.
Two.
Ooh, I got.
Oh my god.
Albus. Dumbledore.
Snap.
Profesor Background. Oh berarti The Legend Trio. Oh,
Yes.
The Legend Trio ya.
Wow.
Ooh, I got the SGR. And then the second one.
Drum roll, please.
Bam. Enggak.
I got one.
Ayo Level.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to steal your jodoh.
I got one. It's okay.
Ayo Level.
And he's a cute guy.
Right. For the last one. Bam. Bam. Lucha.
Okay. Oh my god, this is the white one.
Draco again. Again. Oh my Oh.
Oh my god. What?
Is,
Oh my
is, it,
God.
is it my fault because I was the one who gave it to you?
Yeah.
I'll apologize. Okay.
Oh my god. Is this the way the universe tell me about something?
What? You go from me though.
Marry, kiss, or kill.
Oh my god, that's so
I'm like,
Honest.
I already know what the answer. So yeah.
He's gonna die anyway. Mary and kiss.
Yeah. Okay. Such an obvious answer.
Yeah.
Kill her. Yes, if I kiss her, it's gonna be weird. So yeah, I'm gonna marry Ron
Yay.
and kiss me. Yes, because he cannot move on from
His
Lily.
first love.
Yeah, his first love. So
Yes.
why should I marry him? Ron, a family man.
And because I only got the male one is Neville, so maybe I'm gonna marry him.
A good man.
Yes, silly guy. And of course I cannot kill her. So I'm gonna kiss. Like the mother of Gryffindor.
Yes.
Love it.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Cho-chan.
No. Oh no.
You have to die.
Oh no. Rest in peace.
Oh, no.
Rest in peace, Queen.
Apa nyusul selik?
Too soon.
Too soon.
Hey, where are my cards?
But
Where?
oh yeah, Cho-chan tadi.
So Chan and
sama Cedric.
Where?
Dadang.
Please.
Is that?
It's okay, Cho-chan.
So
You've lived a good life. Sama Harry, sama Cedric.
yeah, Cedric died. So
You've lived every girl's dream.
I wish.
Keep dreaming.
Oke. Oke, sudah. Dan kita unboxingnya. Tampak. Kita akan lihat. Tapi itu, loh, putih. SSR. Ya, SSR.
Yeah.
Ooh, hologram.
Kind of rare. Get the SGR to this.
If you want this, just call me Emma.
I got double, so
Double,
The one is for me, though.
of course. Done? Okay,
That.
done. Then we move to the next question.
Okay, there's another question.
Another question. We know this may be the main discussion in here. We know that they are announced that they're gonna make reboots of Harry Potter series.
Yeah.
All the entire movie
Yeah.
with new actor,
Yeah. New cast.
new cast. What do you think?
I feel like it feels way too soon for them to be reboot because the film series was like tracked in 2011. Like it barely 14 years ago. So it was like they kind of rebooted for the
Too soon.
I'm sorry, but money grab. So yeah, I honestly feel bad for the new actor. So
Yeah.
because like mereka bakal dapat kritikan gitu nggak sih? Like, the bad side of the internet. So it's okay.
I don't know. I think they. Why show reboot just. There's so many.
Other choice,
Other, yeah, the other choice maybe.
sequel.
Yeah, sequel. There's so
Sequel,
many scene in the book that
Not included
Into
in
the
the
movie.
movies.
you can just apa ya?
Or maybe the untold story.
Yeah, the untold
stories about maybe the four founder or maybe the about Tom Riddle, perhaps.
Or
And
maybe they can just continue the movies like the Cursed
Cursed
Child is not.
there is many others potential
Yeah.
than make the remake, right?
Yeah, and the Cursed Child is just apa ya? If they had a new cast, it's okay because it's another story of Harry Potter.
The character.
New character, it's okay though. But this one is kind of yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe it's more similar. The character is more similar like the books, but I think it's not because everyone has know that the character of Harry is Daniel.
Radcliffe.
Yeah. In
And
seven movies. In seven movies.
So it's been more than 2 decades.
Yeah.
Than from the first film. I mean, it's already how to say it, nancep dalam pikiran ya. Kayak you cannot replace them because it's already get deeper into our heart that we know that Harry as Daniel Radcliffe as Harry Potter, Emily Watson as Hermione Granger,
Yeah.
Rupert Grint as Ron Weasley, and you know Draco Malfoy, right? You know Draco Malfoy.
Until now, Tom Felton is not moved on from Harry Potter, so
Why would you love Draco Malfoy? And what's your opinion if when the reboot is movie with new cast? We know that they already announced for Draco who's gonna play Draco. Will you watch?
I think apa ya? Okay, I think the cast is just okay, not like oh my god, this is so Draco Malfoy. Maybe just kayak
Ya, beda banget ya kak.
The Draco's okay.
Still okay?
Yeah, still okay, but not maybe the face nggak setengil Draco, nggak setengil Tom Felton dulu sih. Menurutku sih.
Right.
I just feel like this is not Harry Potter though. It's
That we
like
know.
the same like Fantastic Beasts. Like they're in the same universe, but it's not Harry Potter.
Harry Potter in another universe.
Yeah. Harry Potter in another universe.
Yeah.
Maybe Harry Potter in a modern universe.
In Earth 002 or perhaps another.
Harry Potter is Gen Z.
That's it. Wrong. Still, for the trio, the golden trio.
Yes, still
Okay.
okay.
I actually have nothing to say about the kids. It's like they're kids. They will still have more experience. I know they have so much to.
Potential to
So much potential to be good actor.
Okay. Ron
And
is really okay.
but actually, Hermione is kind of great. Actually,
Yeah, I love her accent.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah.
I love her accent.
the rest is
The
no
rest-
comment.
But Harry Potter is more Slytherin.
Yeah.
The face is more Slytherin than Gryffindor. Maybe.
Look at his face.
The face is look.
His face.
Oh my, maybe because he's the Hogwarts Voldemort kan.
First of Voldemort.
He has Voldemort.
Oh,
His blood
sure.
is
So
he can
slightly
speak,
aura.
He can speak Slytherin.
Also tongue.
Yeah.
yeah.
So yeah.
Mhm.
Okay sih. And
But-
Ron, I love the Ron. It's like okay because Ron in the book Ron is so very handsome. So
Brave.
this one brave.
Brave.
I hope in the new movie Ron will be more apa ya? Kelihatan bold. Don't put the silly Ron on the movies just to stand out.
Yeah, real has that.
Okay, from the books, Ron was like every apa ya? Kalau Ron itu kalau di buku ya, dia tuh kalau ada hal sedikit aja kayak Draco ganggu dia atau sama gengsnya dia
Iya.
itu dia langsung stand out di situ juga gelut di lapangan.
Langsung
Gitu
kayak-
ya. Sedangkan kalau di movie itu kayak when they go to the Forbidden Forest and then suddenly a big spider.
So
Why? It's like Harry, Hermione. Dia terlalu bergantung sama orang di movie. The real one, he's literally a Gryffindor person. More than Harry.
Okay. Then to the Legend Trio, that this the Golden Trio and the Legend Trio. We can see ada anomali di sini. Kayak Dumbledore-nya masih Dumbledore masih oke lah gitu ya. Dumbledore masih oke gitu kan, tambahin aja lagi dia kritik-kritiknya kayak masih dapat.
Iya.
Masih
Tidak kan ketutupan sama
Iya.
his jenggot. So
masih
okay.
oke lah. Terus juga
McGonagall is
si Profesor McGonagall
okay.
baunya dapat ya.
But this one, like, oh my gosh.
I'm speechless honestly when they announced the for the Legend Trio new cast.
The one who's casting him.
You're racist.
it's kind of hilarious.
Listen, the essential they want to make the reboots is because they want to make it look like just exactly like in the books, right?
Yeah.
So
They say.
that's what they say. But this one is.
Tell me which part in the book that.
It's not out of the box. It's not out of the box, but out of the books.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me which part.
Which part?
Which chapter?
They said that he had.
What page?
What page?
What page? There describes Snape like that. Just
In the books, they say clearly that he had a white pale skin.
white
Pale skin. Pale.
pale skin. Please insert,
Insert face.
editing like white pale skin.
The comment
You
section.
have to underline that one.
Yeah.
And this one, I'm sorry. It's like kind of
White pale skin.
white
but
pale skin. That's
I'm so sorry. We're not racist, but
they're not racist, but this one,
Like, yeah, it's kind of hilarious that they want to make a series that
like exactly.
book accurate, but just to miscast the one essential character, the important one.
I don't know why it's going on inside their mind, because this is really, really, really far from. There's many other potential actor who could play Severus Snape, right?
yeah,
Like maybe Keanu Reeves.
yeah.
Still got the same skin, and also the nose still similar. And this one, hashtag dok.
No, but like, just imagine his character level when Harry like itu bisa salah pahami gitu gak sih?
Papa Esidu, this is for you. You can play another character that suits you. Like,
No offense, so I know you are great.
You could still play
I know
in.
you're a great actor,
You could still
but
play in Harry Potter. Maybe you could be a Kingsley, right? The Aurora.
yeah,
Still could, right? Maybe you could just cut another person for this one. Like, I'm speechless, really.
Tapi terus ini beneran fix banget.
iya.
Iya gitu loh. Masalahnya itu dia, kayak nggak, masih ada waktu loh. Bisa nggak sih ganti? Tapi mereka sudah bangun cash ya, tempatnya, bangun ulang propertinya gitu loh. Sudah pada mulai syuting nih. Gimana ya?
Kacau.
Maybe they're gonna edit.
Wah,
Nggak tahu lah.
gimana ya?
Paling problematiknya bagian sini aja sih menurutku.
Iya.
Kayak dari overall yang lain tuh ya masih oke aja gitu
iya.
kan. Mereka mencoba untuk look like exactly like in the books.
Tapi gimana ya itu nanti backstory sama yang
Itu juga aja.
jenisnya itu kayak nge-add racial undertone gitu nggak sih, kayak ntar dikira rasisme gitu.
Gimana editingnya?
Kayak
Acting, cause Hok kan Snape suka keluar malam-malam.
With black robe.
Like with his
Black robe. Sway like a Dementor in the corridor.
Yeah.
And I don't know, can they just take the video, because corridor in Hogwarts is really dark.
Yeah.
I'm afraid they got nothing.
But please insert the meme. There's so many. Oh my god. Penasaran si Luciusnya siapa?
Ini kalian?
Iya kan? Sumpah.
Enggak cocok ya? Coba lihat antagonistik nggak mukanya?
Enggak.
Harusnya Lucius tuh kayaknya mending Tom Felton aja nggak sih?
Itu mukanya terlalu soft.
Iya.
Lucius itu kayak nggak tahu ya kalau deskripsi book I haven't read it, tapi menurutku masuk akalnya kalau kayak muka yang tipe orang tajam gitu nggak sih?
Arogan banget masalahnya.
Iya, kayak ngelihat aja tuh kayak
Kayak kamu tuh bukan pure blood, kamu tuh dianggap putu tau lah.
Ya. Kayak kamu magel kan?
kayak kita lihat aja tuh udah ngeliat dia ngejudge kita gitu.
Itu sudah.
aku nggak bisa bayangin dia ngedorong Dobby pakai
Kayak kalau ngedorong Dobby tuh langsung minta maaf.
iya.
Mukamu terlalu baik ya Pak.
Muka lu
Muka orang baik.
sehat orang baik.
Sehat, baik-baik sehat orang.
Mereka jadi muda ya?
Harusnya enggak sih.
Molly
harusnya nggak
masuk akal sih, Molly.
harusnya nggak begini. Kalau misalkan mau yang di kelas muda itu untuk Lily sama James menurutku. Karena kan mereka tuh kayak around 30 gitu kan. Kalau misalkan di film harusnya mereka kan mati di usia sekitaran 21 kan. Sedangkan kalau Petunia sama siapa lagi namanya? Vernon memang sudah usianya yang sudah sekitaran di 30-an.
Iya.
Jadi harusnya memang dibikin tua bukan dibikin agak 20-an. Masuk.
Make up mungkin.
Tapi kayak end petunianya aku tuh pas sih. Cuma emang kayak lebih muda aja.
Dan kayak yang kemarin salah tuh itu dia Lily sama James harusnya dibikinnya muda sesuai dengan mereka.
Iya, iya.
Terus meninggal.
Nah,
Malah lebih more handsome Snape.
Vernon kelihatan mungkin pas sih, kayak orang rasis yang bakal
Wah. Tebak ya.
Wah, jadi anu nih.
Dia gitu lagi gak sih pas di Broadway-nya.
Iya, ternyata jadi iya.
Jadi Lucius nggak jadi Draco. Oh iya. Kenapa nggak itu aja dibikin film? Why they didn't make the cursed child?
udah kayak mereka berapa kali opera berapa kali ya?
Iya,
versi
itu
English,
sudah.
versi German.
Kayak sering banget aku lihat play-nya itu. Stage play-nya.
Menurutku The
Jadi
Cursed
kenapa
Child
nggak
is gonna be great movie karena ceritanya tuh juga
Agak muter-muter ya.
so
Karena fanfiction gak sih?
Enggak, enggak gitu sih, tapi ini
Tapi
sih.
di-approve sama si JR-nya.
tapi tuh oke sih menurutku, tapi memang mungkin terlalu dramatis.
Iya.
Terus di apa namanya, kenapa juga dia ngasih namanya dengan nama Albus
Albus Severus Potter.
or what?
Ya,
Jelek banget lagi namanya.
James Sirius Potter and Lily Luna Potter. Why Luna? Maybe. Oh my god.
No.
Jangan Luna.
Dari biasa aja mungkin. Berjasa kan katanya, makanya dikasih nama itu. Sure, good name. Kenapa nggak McGonagall juga?
Ramsgate.
Semuanya aja kali ya. Dobby, McGonagall,
Itu tuh Hedwig.
Udah bikin anak lagi.
sampai semuanya full gitu kan.
Iya,
yang masih semua.
Ada satu angkatan tuh keluarga semua yang satu di tiap angkatan ada satu anaknya.
Dia pangkat. Kayak Weasley dong.
Tapi Albus itu Slytherin kan dia?
Iya.
Albus. Iya anaknya.
Ya, jadi Slytherin.
Potter. He's so stressed. Dia stres banget kan karena dia masuk Slytherin. Iya. Karena tekanan orang tua itu guys, astagfirullah.
Bahkan Harry Potter pun jadi
Ya kan, sekarang kayak jadi agak toksik ya.
Iya, makanya di bukunya tuh kayak dia digambarin kayak harsh banget dong sama si Albus.
Jadi Lucius part 2.
generational trauma.
Oh iya.
Kan dia dianuin sama om tantenya.
Oh iya.
Tapi
Mungkin karena dia memang nggak punya.
Dibilang
Iya.
he grew up without love. Excuse me, ada banyak banget ya, Sirius, Remus,
Yeah.
everyone loves it.
Iya.
Makanya Weasley family. Literally
sorry,
memang nganggap Harry jadi kayak family-nya sudah sebagian dari family. Bahkan dia jadi lebih dianggap akhir daripada anak-anak yang lain sama Molly.
Sama Draco also love him though. Dia cuma karena ketutupan Slytherin dan bapaknya doang. Hebat bapaknya sumpah Lucius.
Tapi kalau misalkan Tom Felton yang ngambil Lucius untuk yang di movie,
Oh, nonton nggak?
Nonton?
ganti nggak? Ganti nggak?
No. I love his character though. It's not karena Tom Felton juga kan karakter.
Are you sure?
Low centric aku suka juga.
Mati dari wizard jadi vampire.
banyak banget dia reinkarnasinya banyak banget.
Iya.
Itulah pesona cowok satu season
Season.
satu series.
Sedihnya.
So maybe that's it. Maybe kita closing. Will you still watch it or not? Kalau kan ini fix sudah jadi dan pasti tayang.
Iya.
Will you watch it or not? Aja mungkin closingnya ya.
When the cast when the Snape cast apa sih namanya, ada pemeran Snape itu, actually I don't wanna watch it because I feel like, oh my god, why does Snape is yeah.
Problematik banget itu.
But karena Gulunci udah keluar dan Draco udah keluar and I think it's okay, I will watch it.
You? Will you still watch it or
I
not?
actually don't really care about the reboot, but you know, kalau semisal ada scene yang mungkin buat aku tertarik, maybe I watch it. I don't know.
Watch it.
That's for future me to decide.
How about you?
But you, the house.
I'm personally I want to watch the movie because I want to keep the original one as the Harry Potter cast I know.
Oh yeah.
I just enough. They already really how to say kayak buried deeper in my heart. I'll be original but okay, there is a slogan for the closing. So when I say PhD time, you're gonna say knowledge and fun, and then we're gonna say point at the camera right there. All in one. We say that.
Okay.
Knowledge and fun.
Knowledge and fun.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Alright. PhD time.
Knowledge and fun.
All in one.